Hi guys, I am here on a cruise right now. This is my room 9128 on the Marella Explorer 2. It is the last day. We are in Gibraltar here. Let me just quickly show you. Here's our balcony view. I absolutely love cruises because it keeps you so busy. I am absolutely shattered now and I'm very excited to sleep on the plane tomorrow because I don't imagine tonight I will get too much sleep because I do want to go to the ship club, and then we've got to wake up early tomorrow morning. But I've got my massive case behind me. Yeah, just gonna basically tell you everything because I have been on maybe about 15 cruises, I feel. If you're watching this because you are just about to go on your first cruise, let me know down below what cruise you're going on and where you're going, and I'm very excited for you because they are literally one of my most favourite holidays ever. Right, so enough waffling on. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I usually quite like wearing dresses in the day. It is November right now and I am wearing a dress because we are in Gibraltar. So yeah, I usually pack like 7 dresses if I'm going on a cruise for the day, and then 7 dresses for the evening, give or take a couple of trouser outfits as well. So that is my main thing. I think it's really nice to dress up on cruises. So many people just get worried about how dressy they're going to be, but I just say go with your own confidence, wear whatever you want to wear. But I'll show you my style dresses that I've bought with me, and one of them is more dressy than the others because usually on ships they have a meet the captain night / dress to impress / captain cocktail party where you go a bit more extra. This dress I actually wore twice, which is a little bit unlike me. I wore it for the silent disco, and then I also wore it for a day. So I wore it for a night and a day. I will enter some photos of me in it so you can see the vibe here. I then had this other beautiful dress, which was a bit of a short number actually. I should have worn it to the disco, but yeah, I didn't. This is another dress that I wore in the day and the night. I dress it up in the night with like heels and a bit more glamness in my hair and makeup, and then dress it down in the day by wearing my jacket over the top. Also remove this and pack it. This has also been quite good. I've never really worn this, but because like it's too cold in England to just wear that and too hot in the summer, or it's not really a summery thing, but now I've been able to wear it, so that's fabulous. Do you know what, I'll actually just enter a few photos of some of the dresses that I wore so that you can see the vibe of them and you don't have to wait for me to pack them up. Also, on ships, you used to not be, well, on one of them actually, it said that you weren't allowed to bring like hair straighteners and curlers. I don't know whether that's because I'm on a different ship now or whether times have changed, but I definitely bought my hair curlers and straighteners. I've got a big knot. So I bought these curlers, I also bought other curlers and my straighteners, so definitely remember your bits and bobs. Every cruise ship that I have been in, there has been a hairdryer, so you shouldn't have to worry about packing a hairdryer. Okay, shoes point of view. So this is my wardrobe. Me and Catherine have managed to get a wardrobe each. This is Catherine's, dresses all nicely hung up. We are given these hangers here, so you can't take them home with you, there's no point. But yeah, you don't need to pack hangers because there are more than enough. This is just for Catherine. Mine is here. Sorry, this is a little bit messy. So yeah, so I actually brought with me these pair of boots, which I did actually wear once, one evening. I might wear them tonight, actually. I could wear them tonight. And then I bought these pair of boots, which I thought I'd be living in the days, but they're not as comfy as trainers. And on a city kind of break cruise, we do so much walking, so you have to wear something that is really comfortable on your feet. So I ended up wearing trainers every single day. So I would highly recommend trainers. But I do actually bring 2 pairs. So I bring 1 pair for the gym and then 1 pair for like the day. I have to say I'm a bit disappointed in myself this time because I only went to the gym once on the first day, which was our day at sea. So Laura, that is not on. Next time you go on a cruise, you have to go 3 times. Trainers for the gym, trainers for going out and exploring, I think is a very good option. So it's really nice to wear some lovely heels. As you can see, I've got some sparkly bits here. These are just from New Look, but they are comfy and elegant, and they go with all of my dresses basically. So yeah, so definitely pack heels to wear in the evening. Sorry, this video is kind of more aimed at girls actually, isn't it? Because I'm not really helping the boys out there, sorry. I also do bring flip-flops with me just to shove on in the morning when you go up to breakfast. Just because they're the easiest thing to wear. You don't have to faff around with laces when you're feeling tired from getting in at 3 AM the night before. Okay, so that is shoes. Right, before I go through any more things, let me just pop those shoes into the case. Another tip is that I usually put like my underwear and stuff like in my shoes when I'm packing, but that's not really a cruise tip, that's just a general packing tip, isn't it? So I'm going to go and get my underwear and shove it all in here. On this ship there are USB plugs, so you can probably see my phone charging behind. So you don't have to worry too much, but as you can see here, there is no English plugs. There's this one, I don't know what that one is, and then this one, just the European one, so do remember to bring your adapters. I always bring my Bluetooth speakers and my Wonderboom, just so that when we usually are getting ready, we can have some music to listen to, so this has been really, really useful. Obviously not too loud because of the guests, but yes, this is one of the things I always bring with me. Sorry, I'm trying to be really quick because my mum has had her shower, got out, is doing her makeup and is going down to dinner in a sec, and I haven't even showered. I packed 3 or 4 different handbags, actually 4, so I didn't wear this one. How crazy. This is my new one. Maybe it's more like a Christmas vibe. I packed this one, so I wore this. Is that empty? And I actually wore this one most of the nights because it's just quite a pretty one. I'm probably going to be wearing that one tonight, so I'm going to leave that out. From the point of view of toiletries, this body wash did come, obviously it comes with the ship, so you don't need to bring shower gel on the Morella Explorer 2 anyway, and I'm pretty sure that's the case for most ships, and then a hand wash as well for the soap for the sink. So obviously pack your conditioner and shampoo, because I did not do that last time and had to fork out a £5 each for them. So 10 quid we paid for shampoo and conditioner. So definitely remember your shampoo and conditioner.
Hi guys, so me being me, I forgot to film an outro. So I just wanted to say I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got more of a gist of what you need to pack for a cruise. And please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks guys.